Welcome to 1110 Brookgreen Drive in the heart of Cary, North Carolina, close to many of the things that you want to be near. The exterior has recent painting, HVAC, and roof replacement as well. This home has been completely renovated and updated, so all you have to do is move right in and enjoy this beauty. Let's go take a look inside. A warm feeling greets you in this split-level home as you walk in. You quickly notice the brand new kitchen, which opens to a large living room with a big view to the large 0.4-acre lot. It feels so spacious and welcoming to guests and great for entertaining inside or out. There are new windows throughout, new doors, new flooring. Fenced yard, new shed, and a fire pit and large boat or RV area, and no regulations about them. You'll just love living in this area, as you have a greenway right in the neighborhood. Lake Pine Trail is only about 1.5 miles away. Costco, the vibrant and active downtowns of Cary and Apex, Beaver Creek Shopping Center, and much more. Hurry and come take a look at this beauty today. If you'd like a personal showing, I'll set that up for you right away.